We've got one here.
Where's that other torch, Nick?
Turn the lights on. All right, we've got a gummy. We're definitely on here. Holy mackerel. Okay. Okay. All right, I thought we were gummy fishing here, not barrel tuna fishing, but... So he's pretty much halfway to Tasmania. So this... Holy crap! Holy mackerel! Holy dooly! What a first hookup! I'm sorry. This is insane. All the lights are on. It is go time. What is this? What's on the end of the line? What a run! This is incredible. So we actually, after about being anchored up for about 10 minutes, we had a big shark come up to the back of the boat. I don't know what it was a bit dark. I reckon it would have been a 7 gill, but so this could be a 7 gill. Whatever the hell it is, it's got a bit of weight and a bit of size to it. So he's given some good old head shakes. Oh, he's swimming towards me here. Got to be really responsive with the gummies. Oh, mama! Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh.
All right, we've just lost it. Whatever it was, we've just lost it. Just let's see if it was a toothy shark, because if my hook's missing, it means we've been bitten off. Let's see what's happened. All right, it was a toothy. It was a toothy. So my hook's gone. The line's a bit chafed up here, so it was definitely some teeth on that. That was an incredible first run. Wowie, my adrenaline is pumping right now, so I'm gonna get the baits back out, rehook, and let's hope we get another run.